which is the highest selling room in Regalia. One of the best sea view in Goa, I must say.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It was a month of April 2021 when we decided to plan this trip on the occasion of our 7th wedding anniversary. It is impossible to cover both North Goa and South Goa in just 5 days trips. Hence we decided to leave Bangalore in the early morning of 10th April. So we can reach North Goa by afternoon, have a stay there and next day go back to South Goa. Then thinking of staying in a quiet location away from the crowd but near the sea. We explored lot of options on various beaches in North Goa. But we couldn't find any reasonable and safe resort, either it was completely booked or closed due to pandemic. Then we came across this resort in Ashwem beach, just 2 minutes walk away from beach. This resort has a very unique and beautiful architecture, given a feeling of being close to nature, as they have used wooden finish completely for the buildings. To walk through the rooms and facilities, I requested Regalia team to help me through. Let's have a look at it.
Hi,
Hi.
welcome to the Regalia. Today I'm going to take you at 203, the highest selling sea view room at Regalia. So here it comes with a wardrobe. Then we have a safe locker and a laundry facility. Here it comes our minibar. Tea, coffee kettle, 2 water bottle complimentary. In washroom we have a cubicle shower. We have a head shower and a hand shower, toiletries, bar towel, hand towel, and a hair dryer in a washroom. So in room we have a king size bed with AC, with luggage rack and study table, a TV. In room dining you can order till 10:30 p.m. last order. We have a beautiful sea view from 203, which is the highest selling room in Regalia. One of the best sea view in Goa, I must say.
Let's have a walk to the beach. This is Ashwem beach, which is 2 minutes walk from the resort Regalia. Beach is less crowded, calm and quiet, good for the family to enjoy. There are some water activities like paragliding. It's getting dark now, let's go back to the resort. The night view of the resort is really beautiful. This is next day morning. This is one second and last day in North Goa. We have complimentary breakfast. We are staying in a partial sea view room. There are other rooms with best sea view, suite room and pool view room. You can book as per your preference. Phone number is mentioned in the description. You can mention my reference. And last, we had a delicious lunch at the resort. And now we are leaving to South Goa.